The four-way handshake is the process of exchanging four messages between an access point and the client device to generate some encryption keys which can be used to encrypt actual data sent over wireless medium. A handshake is generated at the time the client connects to the wireless network. In this video, I will be capturing handshake file using Kali Nethunter, and the wireless network will be my home wireless router. I will not use Nethunter terminal app cause it's too much buggy and copy pasting is so hard there. VPN server is always a better choice for this kind of stuff. So I will open Nethunter app and start VNC server. Go to Kex Manager and start the server. The server is started. Let's open a Nethunter Kex and connect to our localhost server. Nethunter desktop is running good and I have plugged in my TP-Link wireless adapter to my phone. Now I have to turn on the monitor mode. Let's zoom the window first. Open up a terminal. In order to turn up the monitor mode, I have to turn down the adapter first. So I have to type IP-Link set WLAN2 down. Now WLAN2 is my interface name. In your case it can be different. Now I need to change the mode monitor from managed. So I have to type IW WLAN2 set monitor control. Now let's turn up the adapter by typing IP-Link set WLAN2 up. The light of my wireless adapter is turned on and it's in monitor mode now. The interface is set, so my adapter can now grab packets from the airwave on this interface. To do this, type aerodump-ng WLAN2 . This process is known as channel hopping and it's trying to find the devices that are trying to connect to all access points in the surrounding, no matter what channel they are on. To quit the scanning process, hold Ctrl and C. Here the 777 is my home router and BSS ID means MAC address and CH means the channel number my router is using. My router is using the channel 1 and this is my router's MAC address. I need to copy the MAC address for the next command. Go to File and open a new tab. Since I know the channel and BSS ID, I can just filter everything else out. To do that, I need to type aerodump-ng BSS ID and the MAC address that I have copied earlier, space -C. C means the channel number, that is 1, -W. W means the output file name that will be generated as a handshake file. I will name it same as my Wi-Fi router, and the interface name. Hit enter. Now it is fixed on the channel number 1 and the access point. On the bottom lines, they are the connected devices to my wireless router, and beside the BSS ID there is a station tab, and under it they are the MAC address of connected device to my router. My purpose is to knock off any one of the connected device from the station list, so when they tries to reconnect, my adapter captures the authentication handshake. To kick out a client, I need to deauthenticate it from the access point. Now I need to quit the scanning process. type Ctrl+C, go to File and New tab, type AirPlay -ng 0. 0 denotes the deauthentication flag. Actually that will be -0 space 0. Now this 0 means the numbers of deauth packets I'm going to send is specified here. 0 means the infinite packets of deauth will be sent until my adapter gets handshake, but I will choose 30 deauth packets -a. A means the MAC address of my wireless router. Let's copy it. Space -c. Now C flag is the client MAC address that I want to knock off. Go to the previous shell and copy any one of the connected device MAC address and paste it here, and the interface name. Before hitting enter, go back to the previous shell and run the previous command. Okay, keep it running in the background and go to the next shell and hit enter. Okay, here I have encountered an error, but I can fix it easily. Bring back the previous command, space, and simply copy this command and paste it and hit enter. My adapter is sending deauth packets to the client. All I have to do is now wait until WPA handshake dialogs shows up in the top right hand corner. There it is. And in the note section you can find EAPOL dialog. That means the 4-way handshake has been captured. Now go to the next shell and type ls. And here is our .cap file, and that is my handshake file. Now you know what to do with that file, so good luck and thanks for watching, and as always subscribe me for more.